Guys, so it's on the World TV here, and today, araw po today ng Tuesday, October 3, 2023. Then today, magwi-withdraw po tayo ng ating 10.12. And so hindi pa po natin makuha yung ating team commission, guys. So 10.12 muna yung ating kukunin dito. Kasi pag tawag dito, i-try natin, experience natin itong 2 days tax free natin. Then mas maaga para mas mabilis yung withdrawal. So click natin yung submit. That's it. So we have here 10.12 na withdrawal natin today. Ayan. So madadagdagan na naman yung ating withdrawal dito. So as of today, under review pa. So yung 10.12 na yan, ang total na makuha natin dito mamaya is, for example dito, 10.12. So we have 708.4. So ito yung makukuha natin later, guys, kapag mag-success na yung ating process dito ng payout. Hello everyone, ayan, so today success na po yung ating 10.12, no, $10.12 dito sa ating SKP account. Ayan, so 10.12 natin. 10.12 natin dito is okay, 10.12. Okay, 708.04. So let's check kung may pumasok nga ba sa GCash natin na 708.4. Okay, ayan, nag-lock na yung cellphone natin. Okay, double check natin. 708.4. Okay, titingnan natin today sa ating transaction. Ayan, so as of today, meron tayong 708.4. So, na-receive po natin to kanina ng, okay, anong oras ito? Ayan, so alas 5 or 5:28 PM, no? So, thank you so much for our SKP and to our SKP consultant. Ayan, so thank you so much. So pasok pa din siya sa tax free, guys. So yan lang muna, guys, and happy earnings everyone. Kung gusto niyo mag-join dito sa ating team, just click our link na nasa description box po, or lahat po ng link dyan, guys. Kailangan yung contact ko din andyan din, so click nyo din yung link dyan ng private Facebook ko, and of course for our WhatsApp account. So, yan na muna, guys, and happy earnings everyone.